I think today's fashion show was international standards, and I am so happy, and I really would like to congratulate Richa and Cleopatra, her team of Cleopatra, for putting up a show on the same lines as Intercoiffeur. Intercoiffeur is an international organization in 55 countries, and we are very selective about our members. And I'm so happy we have one wonderful salon and person here and her team, Richa, and it's absolutely international. The housewife, that was fantastic. You know, in fact, Chandigarh's got very beautiful ladies, and they are so, really so, forthcoming and wonderful.
She's a president Intercoiffeur. Intercoiffeur is an organization which is, for the elite people. It is concentrating more on the hairstyles and hairdos, colors and all, because this is something which lacks in India. So it is our effort to show India, to show Chandigarh that yes, we can also, perform internationally. We can also perform. We can also give the hairdos what internationally is required. also because आजकल जो girls हैं वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा they are more western hairdos वगैरह मांगती हैं. There's the heavy demand of hairdos, different hairdos, experimenting with the hairdos. So this show is for all the ladies, and the theme of the show was happiness. Happiness is why we have chosen is that हर एक जना आजकल happiness ढूंढ रहा है, and happiness is something which is a very important topic to de-stress to everything. So from this show we have shown that happiness is a secret to beauty, happiness is a good hair day, happiness is an inspiration, and happiness is not a destination, it is a way of life. So hopefully Chandigarh is going to like this show, and India will also. Housewives, they also, because they're the one who wants to do little more. They're the one who looking for happiness. घर पे बैठी हुई हैं, कुछ थोड़ा सा और चाहिए. So they are the people who are actually looking for little extra happiness. And with such kind of a shows, and their presence and their involvement is definitely going to give them more happiness, more boost. Thank you Intercoiffure Paris for all the support, and thank you President Intercoiffure Dr. Kocher.